The claims are tested. Hey, what's going on guys, welcome back to the channel, hope you all are doing well. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro came a week ago and now we can say a word on it. Where you cannot expect a big figures on Watch 5 base model since it has the smallest battery, but Watch 5 Pro have some great numbers. If you are on a Watch 4 Classic, then Galaxy Watch 5 Pro could be a good option only if you need a bigger battery and stronger build. And you don't need a rotating bezels anymore. Except that Watch 4 Classic and Watch 5 Pro are quite similar even in software, as both share Samsung's own skin on top of a Google Wear OS. Before moving on, if you like the content, make sure to drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Did you guys think that the claims are right about the Watch 5 Pro battery, and what are your thoughts on new bezels on Watch 5 Pro? As per your request, for those who want a metallic band for their Watch 5 Pro or Watch 4 Classic, I have put a link of Amazon in the description below so you can check it out. Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro batteries are what matters, but it seems like Samsung claims are too high for Galaxy Watch 5. Since it only gives you a 24 hours of battery backup without always on display, but with the GPS for an hour. And if you enable always on display, then it dropped down to 21 hours. Whereas Samsung claims 40 hours of battery backup on the Galaxy Watch 5 base model with just 284 mAh battery. But if we talk about Samsung Galaxy Watch 5 Pro, then the results are different. After using the Samsung Galaxy famous GPS feature for hiking for an hour, it only drains about 10% of a battery, which is a good figure. But as per claims, it should go over 80 hours, and I think in the day-to-day usage with the GPS off, Galaxy Watch 5 Pro can reach up to 80 hours. Meanwhile, Samsung claims on fast chargings are on point for both Watch 5 and Watch 5 Pro, where we can charge Watch 5 Pro to 45% in just 30 minutes and full charge within an hour, where you can get up to 42% charging in 30 minutes and will get a full charge within an hour, and that is because of its new 10-watt fast charger. The new cool feature you can get with the Watch 5 Pro is its new GPX, where now you can actually export the GPX file using the Samsung own app. But Samsung tied Watch 5 Pro to its ecosystem, where if you need some specific feature, you have to use the Samsung app. With this new GPX feature, you can actually track your route, and if you want to go back, Watch will guide you turn by turn to return on your destination. The skin temperature tracking has not yet active on the Watch 5 Pro, and as per Samsung, it will only be used at night while sleeping, but it is not yet available, and for now there is no official update available. Maybe in the future we'll get an update and it'll start working out. So with that being said, if you came this far, drop a like, subscribe to the channel and comment down below. Do you guys think the claims are right on the Watch 5 Pro battery? And what are your thoughts on new bezels on the Watch 5 Pro? I'll see you next time. Till then, peace out.